Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a currency pair in MetaTrader 5 app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 app, then go to the top right corner and click on plus. Also make sure you are in codes. So click on the plus icon. And as you can see here, we have the search bar here and we have Forex, metals, and we have indices as you can see here. So let's go for example and choose a currency pair. So let's say for example this one, USD try, US dollar versus Turkish lira. So click on it and let's go and see. Scroll until the end and this is it, USD try. So let's click on it and this is the chart. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.